I think I would say that's the reason why.
I think inbuilt होती है, maturity inbuilt होती है थोड़ी बहुत. But were you like acting in school dramas? Were you reading a lot of theatre?
Oh, I read a lot.
वो passion किधर से आ रहा था? और माँ बाप के लिए how was this okay with them? Because it's not an easy field to be in.
Exactly, it's not an easy field to be in.
What do your parents do? And I'm just trying to understand where all this passion.
So my mom is a full-time. My mom because
now
she's always with me.
Yes, now she doesn't have a choice.
She's always with me because I'm pretty young right now. Until 18, I also don't feel comfortable going on sets alone.
Right.
तो मम्मा मेरे साथ होती हैं. तो अभी 2 साल तक तो उनकी जॉब सिक्योर है, वो मेरे साथ है. एंड देन माय डैड हैज अ शोरूम ऑफ कार्स.
अम्मियों की जॉब कभी खत्म नहीं होती. वो लाइफ टाइम सिक्योरिटी.
ये भी है, एग्जैक्टली.
It's not going to end in 2 years. Yeah.
So my mama is always with me. My dad has a showroom of cars.
Okay.
That's what he does. And my siblings are still studying. Well, my sister has a job now. My brother is still studying. So that's that. That's my family.
Are you driving dad's cars? Like, are you driving?
No, I'm not legally allowed to.
16 पे यानी मिलता
है?
Yeah,
नहीं, 18 पे मिलता है. And I think I will be a very reckless driver, so my dad doesn't give me any of his cars.
सही कह रहे हैं. They know you better.
Yeah, they're like नहीं, अभी driving तो बिल्कुल. I'm like मुझे सिखा दें कम से कम, ताकि 18 तक मैं like एक हफ्ते में जब मेरी बर्थडे होगी ना, एक हफ्ते में मैं ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस ले लूँ. नहीं भाई, अभी मैं नहीं दे रहा तो मैं कोई अपनी गाड़ी में. That's so bad, I'm going to be under supervision. I'm going to get a trainer and everything, but he doesn't trust me.
हाँ. So you have jumped full on, head on into acting.
Yes.
And you want to pursue this as a career now. And you started so young. And पहला सवाल तो मेरा ये कि why are you doing 2 dramas at the same time? या उसका शूट हो चुका है?
उसका शूट हो चुका था.
जुड़वा का हो चुका था.
जुड़वा का शूट हो चुका था.
मुझे तो देख के घबराहट होती है कि 3 characters because
वो तो हम जुड़वा का शूट हो चुका था. फिर I came on the set of Parvarish. मतलब I was fully done with जुड़वा and then I started shooting Parvarish. So there was for me, मुझे नहीं पता था कि दोनों ड्रामे एक साथ आएंगे. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था क्योंकि शूटिंग वाइज जुड़वा मैंने पहले शूट किया था, तो आई थॉट कि जुड़वा पहले स्क्रीन पे आएगा एंड देन परवरिश. बट ऑब्वियसली डेट्स वगैरह वो हुई थी, तो फिर वो दोनों एक साथ आ रहे हैं.
Is that good or bad?
I don't mind.
Right.
Like I मैं उसको टेक्निकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं सोची, बिकॉज वो दोनों ड्रामे मुझे मेरे दिल के इतने करीब है. मतलब with the cast, with the team, I was so close with both of them that I don't mind. It's not like one is putting my image down or something like that. They're very different from one another. All 3 of my characters are very different. So I think it's not a bad thing particularly,
right.
But yeah, that's that. Like I don't mind.
You don't mind?
Yeah, I don't mind.
ठीक है. I mean, they're both doing extremely well.
Yeah, and people are liking it. The 3 characters are very different, and the premise is very different.
Very different
from one another. Like बिल्कुल ही जुड़वा और परवरिश में ज़मीन आसमान का फर्क है. तो it's like I don't mind.
You don't mind it.
Yeah.
And I can sense the passion here. I can sense the passion here. मुझे ये बताओ कि is Anna Asif now a bankable star that people are coming to you with scripts and all that, because mashallah se you've had a series of hits now. तो ऐसा अब लग रहा है that you've kind of arrived, वो arrival हो गया है, or is it something you're still striving for?
Yeah, I don't think I'll ever get there.
There तो बहुत दूर है, लेकिन there where you have scripts to choose from.
Stardom एक अलग चीज़ है. Me being an artist, it's a very different thing. I don't even think about me being a star. I just want to produce good work. That's my goal.
Stardom की तो बात ही नहीं कर रहे. मतलब scripts की choices आ रही हैं. So how are you choosing your characters? और कौन script पढ़ता है? You reading? Is your mother reading?
I think both of us.
Both of you.
हाँ, मम्मा भी पढ़ती है, मैं भी पढ़ती हूँ, because obviously मम्मा
उर्दू में?
मम्मा और बहुत मुश्किल से मत पूछो. मम्मा और पापा की obviously approval मेरे लिए भी बहुत important है. तो if they're not okay with something, I'm also not okay with it. Same vice versa. If I'm not okay with it, they're also not okay with it. तो हम like 3 collective party है. वो हम तीनों scripts discuss करते हैं कि मेरे लिए क्या बेहतर है, क्या appropriate है, regarding my age and everything.
Right.
तो I also read it, but it's like कि मैं अपनी script जो choose करती हूँ, if I can't get it out of my head, that means it's meant for me.
Okay.
Like when I'm reading a script और उसमें I can imagine myself playing this character and I'm like मैंने अब script बंद कर दिया है, मैं अब अपना कोई काम कर रही हूँ और मेरे दिमाग में वही चीज़ चल रही है, and I can not just like I cannot shake it off, then that I feel like I've connected with the script enough.
And that's
to do
what
it.
I'm thinking. That's what happened with Mairi.
Of course,
right?
बिल्कुल. I was so excited. Oh, I cannot even tell you. When I went to the meeting, तो मीसम भाई बैठे थे मेरे साथ और मीसम भाई मुझसे बात कर रहे थे. उन्होंने मुझे सब बताया कि क्या होना है क्या नहीं. And I had this big old smile on my face. I was so excited. Then I gave my audition, and मीसम भाई was like, "Okay, we'll let you know." And I was like, "I love it. No matter who does it, I'm going to watch this drama. It's so nice because it's obviously such a strong story, and there was such a good acting margin, and you know, the premise was so nice. It was about awareness. It was spreading a good message that our society needs to hear. So all of it, I was just so excited to play it.
And congratulations, it's picked up an LSA for best long.
Yes,
for best, so
thank you so much.
That's quite amazing, and I think credit goes to everybody, the whole team, of course, but the performers foremost. You know, performance is darling, but controversial ban gaya. Controversial ban gaya. अब हमारा television. You're Gen Z, or are you a millennial?
Gen Z.
Are you? I have no idea what.
I'm Gen Z.
You're Gen Z, right? Does Gen Z watch Pakistani television?
I think ज़्यादातर वो जो थोड़ी सी typical stories होती है, not just typical. I think वो उन projects को भी हमें respect करना चाहिए, no matter what, because सबने मेहनत की होती है. लेकिन जो घरेलू कहानियाँ होती हैं, to say that family drama जो सास बहू लड़ रही हैं, I think वो ड्रामे हम लोग प्रेफर नहीं करते देखना, because हम लोग उस पॉइंट, अब ऑडियंस को आप कैसे कैच करते हो? आई थिंक आप ऑडियंस को ऐसे कैच करते हो कि आप रिलेट कर पाते हो उस स्टोरी से देख के, या वो स्टोरी इंटरेस्टिंग उनके लिए है. ऑब्वियसली देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ ऑडियंस दैट यू कैन एम फॉर. यू कैन नेवर फिट एन ऑडियंस इनटू अ बॉक्स. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो थोड़ी सी सास बहू टाइप स्टोरीज हैं, हम उस पॉइंट पे पहुंचे नहीं हैं. अभी ऑब्वियसली हमारी कोई सास नहीं है, हमारी कोई बहू नहीं है, तो हाउ कैन वी रिलेट? तो आई थिंक वो वाले ड्रामे जेनजी नहीं देखती है सच. लेकिन आई ऑल्सो नो सम पीपल जो जेनजी है, मतलब जो मेरी एज की है, जो देखती हैं. तो आई थिंक इट वेरीज फ्रॉम पर्सन टू पर्सन.
Were you watching dramas before you came into television?
I watched a few dramas. I watched very heavy topic dramas. I watched Baghi. Okay. So basically, I'm a very big fan of Sabaa Qamar.
I know.
So I watch her dramas. I watched Baghi. I watched Cheek. और जो उनके एक दो और ड्रामास थे, मैंने वो देखे थे. तो because she is such an inspiration to me.
You must be excited about case number 9.
Yeah, I swear. तो वो उनके अगर कोई ड्रामे आते थे तो I used to watch.
You used to watch them.
Yes.
And so okay, so you have an understanding कि हमारी जो audience है वो कैसे ड्रामा देखती है, कैसे उसको perceive करती है. माई रे के साथ purpose तो अच्छा था. What happened in the middle then? People, because they said that it's romanticizing child marriage and it's exploiting that fact. So how, as a child actor, how do you deal with that? Not a child, but teenage actor. How do you deal with that? And where did you think that misinformation or miscalculation was coming from? कोई लैप्स था स्टोरी टेलिंग में जिसकी वजह से लोगों ने उसको इंटरप्रेट गलत किया, या लोगों ने शिप करना शुरू कर दिया बिकॉज उनको एक अगर कपल पसंद आ जाता है पर से, तो देन दे स्टार्ट कि ओ हमें तो ये जोड़ी अच्छी लग रही है, तो फिर वो एक रेड फ्लैग बन जाता है कि यार ये तो बच्चे हैं बिल्कुल, तो इनकी जोड़ियाँ क्यों बना रहे हो? तो ये सब कुछ तो हो रहा था.
I think that was the main issue, what you said. Like you just identified the problem.
That was the problem?
Summer and I were very, very good friends. Summer and I, हम लोग बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. तो वो लोगों को चीज़ इंटरव्यू में भी दिख रही थी कि we're very comfortable with each other, we're joking around always. तो आई थिंक उनको मैं और समर पसंद आ गए थे. तो वो लोग स्क्रीन पे एनी और फाखिर को नहीं देख रहे थे, वो स्क्रीन पे एना और समर को ही देख रहे थे. Which is not a bad thing, but I feel like when you're acting, that should not be the purpose. I feel like अगर आप as screen पे आप आ रहे हो as a character, people should see the character. But somehow they really liked Summer and I, so they were like, oh, ये भी इन दोनों को भी एक साथ होना चाहिए. Now, when you get married to somebody, now I've never been married, so I wouldn't know. But you know,
when a character gets married,
when a character gets married to somebody, even if you're not per se were close before the marriage, but after the marriage, you guys are kind of like forced to become friends. You're living under the same roof, and आप हमेशा एक साथ होते हो. You're like, you know, comfortable with each other. एक वो comfort zone भी आ जाता है कि आप नाइट सूट में भी, आप हर किसी के सामने नाइट सूट में नहीं आओगे, लेकिन with your significant other you'll come out and you'll talk to them no matter what happens. आप अपने दिन के बारे में बताते हो, तो वो एक comfort zone create हो जाता है, even if you guys didn't like each other before marriage. So I think that is what happened between Annie and Fakhir.
Right.
कि when they got married, they were cousins, they were living together, but they were just cousins. तो वो एक obviously निकाह बीच में आया, उन दोनों का निकाह हुआ. Now they were married, living in the same room, which is a very quite personal thing. So I think they got close to each other because they were friends. You know, they were not just enemies. शुरू में वो लोग लड़ते थे, फिर वो लोग ठीक हो गए थे कि हाँ यार अब हो तो गई है. They became, you know, a little bit like used to each other.
Yeah.
So it wasn't like a love story, but so what happened was, when a woman is spending too much time with a man, she starts to like the man a little, and that is what happened.
Yeah.
Annie started liking Fakhar,
Yeah.
but Fakhar did not like her. No, Fakhar was like joking around, still as cousins, but Annie started to